Multiple choice questions. Question 1. What was the name of Aram's cousin? A. Fetvagian. C. Khosrow. B. John Byrow. D. Murad. Answer. D. Murad. Question 2. What was the name of Aram's family? A. Byrow. C. Fetvagian. B. Khosrow. D. Garaglanian. Answer. D. Garaglanian. Question 3. Aram's family was famous for their A. Honesty. C. Thievery. B. Wealth. D. Foolishness. Answer. A. Honesty. Question 4. What was the name of Aram's uncle? A. Khosrow. C. Murad. B. Arak. D. John Byrow. Answer. A. Khosrow. Question 5. Whose white horse was missing? A. Khosrow. B. Arak. C. John Byrow. D. Fetvagian. A and S. C. John Byrow. Question 6. When did Aram and Murad ride the horse? A. Early morning. C. Evening. B. Afternoon. D. Night. Answer. A. Early morning. Question 7. According to John Byrow, after being returned, the horse was A. Ill-tempered. B. Stronger than ever and better tempered. C. Weak. D. Aggressive. Answer. B. Stronger than ever and better tempered. Question 8. Who used to say the line, "It's no harm, pay no attention to it"? A. John Byrow. B. Khosrow. Answer. B. Khosrow. Question 9. When did the two boys return the horse? A. After a year. B. After 6 months. C. After Aram learnt ride. D. After they ran into Uhabiah. Answer. D. After they ran into John Byrow. Question 10. Who is the narrator of the story, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse? A. Aram. C. Khosrow. B. Murad. D. John Byrow. Answer. A. Aram. Short answer type questions. Question 1. Aram didn't want to return the horse. Why?
आराम घोड़े को वापस नहीं करना चाहता था। क्यों?
Answer. Like his cousin Murad, Aram was also fond of horse riding. When Murad stole a beautiful white horse, Aram died. Consider it as stealing. Rather, he himself wanted to learn horse riding like Murad. He also had a great passion for so. Aram wanted Murad to keep the horse until he could become a perfect horse rider. Question 2. How does the narrator explain that their tribe was very poor?
कथाकार कैसे स्पष्ट करते हैं कि उनकी जाति बहुत गरीब थी?
Answer. The tribe to which Aram belonged was very poor. They had no money. The whole tribe was poverty-stricken. Every branch the Garaglanian family was living in the most amazing and comical poverty in the world. Nobody could understand where they ever got money to provide food and other necessities for themselves. Question 3. Why was the Garaglanian tribe famous?
दारूग्लिनियन जाति क्यों प्रसिद्ध थी?
Answer. The Garaglanian tribe was famous for their honesty and integrity for the last 11 centuries. Whatever may be the circumstances, they never compromised with their honesty. They also knew how to differentiate between right and wrong. Question 4. What conflicting thoughts did the narrator experience when he saw his cousin Murad sitting on a beautiful white horse?
जब उसने अपने चचेरे भाई मुराद को एक सुंदर सफेद घोड़े पर बैठा देख तो कथाकार को किन प्रतिकूल विचारों का अनुभव करना पड़ा?
Answer. The narrator was full of conflicting thoughts on seeing Murad on a beautiful white horse. As they were poor, Murad could not have possibly bought the horse, so he must have stolen, but Aram refused to believe that Murad could steal anything. Question 5. Why did Aram think that his cousin Murad didn't steal the horse?
आराम ने क्यों सोचा कि उसके चचेरे भाई मुराद ने घोड़ा नहीं चुराया था?
Answer. According to Aram, stealing a horse for a ride was not the same thing as stealing something such as money. He felt that someone was crazy about horses like they were, then it was stealing. It would not have been stealing until they tried to. The horse, which they would never do. Question 6. Aram justified that his stealing the horse was actually stealing. Do you agree?
आराम ने यह उचित ठहराया कि उसकी घोड़े की चोरी वास्तव में चोरी न थी। क्या आप सहमत हैं?
Answer. At first Aram believed that the horse was stolen, but then justified the act of keeping the horse, saying that it was stealing until they offered to sell the horse, which they would never do. In my opinion, the justification is not appropriate. They kept the horse without the consent of its owner for a long time. Owner's work suffered, as his carriage was without a horse, the loss troubled him. Hence, I don't agree with Aram. Question 7. Who was Uncle Khosrow?
चाचा खुसरोव कौन थे?
Answer. Uncle Khosrow was an enormous man with a powerful head of black hair and the largest moustache in the whole valley. He was short-tempered and irritable. He was considered to be the true inheritor of the crazy streak of the Garaglanian tribe. Question 8. Describe Aram's first horse ride on the white horse.
सफेद घोड़े पर आराम की पहली घुड़सवारी का वर्णन कीजिए।
Answer. Aram was quite scared before riding the horse. He leapt on its back, but the horse refused to move. When he kicked the horse in its muscle, the horse reared and created a noisy sound. Instead of going towards the irrigation ditch, the horse ran down the road to the vineyard and soon Aram fell off from the horse. Long answer type questions. Question 1. Aram justified the act of stealing the horse as he didn't consider it to be stealing. In fact, he was Murad's partner in crime. What would you have done if such a situation confronted you? Give your views in 120 to 150 words.
आराम घोड़ा चुराने के कृत्य को सही ठहराता है क्योंकि वह उसे चोरी नहीं मानता। वास्तव में वह मुराद के साथ अपराध में भागीदार था। तब यदि आपके समक्ष ऐसी परिस्थिति आती, अपने विचार 120 से 150 शब्दों में दीजिए।
Answer. It was the responsibility of Aram and Murad to keep each other on the path of morality. However, both failed to do so. Murad stole the horse and Aram justified the act by saying that it wasn't stealing as they would never sell it off. This justification is not correct. The horse was taken away without the consent of its true owner. They both were responsible for the troubles faced by John Byro. In a way, both the boys acted like petty thieves. If I had been confronted with such a situation, then I would have made sure that it doesn't happen. I would have made my cousin return the horse. Question 2. What human values did the two young boys reflect in their character? Explain.
दोनों युवा लड़कों ने अपने चरित्र में किन दो मानवीय मूल्यों को दर्शाया है? समझाइए।
Answer. The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse is a story about two boys who belonged to the Garaglanian family, which had been famous for its integrity and honesty for centuries. Both the boys, Aram and Murad, reflected these qualities in their characters very well. They never let their family down under any condition. Undoubtedly, for some time, they got diverted from their values when Murad stole the beautiful white horse. Both Aram and Murad were crazy for riding a horse. But it wasn't stealing to them. But soon, as per their character, they become conscience-stricken. They now realize that this step could put a question mark on their tribe's dignity and reputation. They finally decided to return the horse to its rightful owner. Hence, this incident shows that the two young characters reflect those human values which are quite necessary in today's world. Question 3. How does the story The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse convey the message of honesty and integrity, and how do the characters maintain it irrespective of their desire to keep the horse with themselves?
द समर ऑफ द ब्यूटिफुल व्हाइट हाउस किस प्रकार ईमानदारी और सत्यनिष्ठा का संदेश देती है और किस प्रकार पात्र बिना सोचे समझे घोड़ा रखने की इच्छा को न्यायपूर्ण कैसे बनाए रखते हैं?
Answer. Undoubtedly, the story The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse conveys the message of honesty and integrity. The two cousins, Aram and Murad, belonged to the Garaglanian family. Their tribe was known for faithfulness. Both of them had a deep passion for horse riding. One day, Murad stole a beautiful white horse just to ride it for a few days. Later, Aram justified the act of keeping the horse by saying that they didn't wish to sell it off, they were just using it for a few days and would certainly return the horse to its owners. The owner of the horse, John Byro, came across them one day when they had the horse with them. Perhaps this was a test of their honesty and truthfulness. In the end, they became conscience-stricken and decided to return the horse to its rightful owner.
वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। कई बच्चे लाइक भी नहीं कर रहे और सब्सक्राइब भी नहीं कर रहे। ओके, तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। थैंक यू।